Well, hello, loves. This is Kimberly here. Welcome to the channel and welcome to my home. In today's video, I am going to share my 4th of July setup here in my home, in my kitchen, because we can't go outside. It's hot as well as raining. I'm also going to share with you what hubby and I have been working on for the past couple of weeks in our backyard. So if you're interested in seeing what we're doing today, just keep on watching. So I hope you had a blessed and safe 4th of July weekend. I decided last minute to decorate my kitchen. And I wish I would have did it sooner because I am loving it. Look at that vignette. The little figurine boy is what my mom gave me a long time ago, and I pull him out every year. This area, I love to set up with our desserts that we have. I picked up a set of 6 towels at Sam's Club. They are so pretty. This area is my sink area. I always love to have something pretty there to look at when I'm doing the dishes. So simply the pitcher with some roses in it, red roses, and I put some Dawn Blue dish detergent in the soap dispenser. I always love to pull out my KitchenAid with it being red, and I inserted one of those beautiful kitchen towels from Sam's Club, decorated that corner area. This area by my range, I kept it basic like I usually do because that's a work area. On the range itself, I added more of those kitchen towels. The set of kitchen towels were a good deal for $14.99 for, I think, like 6 or 8 towels. Couldn't beat it. We have all our food sitting here. And if you know me, I love stations in my kitchen. So we always have this slushy maker ready to go. And I added those 4th of July cups just to bring some of the decor in. On my kitchen island, I kept all of our paper goods, kept it simple, and placed the paper towels in a beautiful holder. This sign I picked up from Temu, thinking it was something else, but it was metal, but I didn't toss it, and I like it. The holder for the paper goods, by the way, I think I just said that, not sure. It was thrifted. The paper goods were from Sam's Club. The trio of stars are from Kirkland's. I did pick that up this year. I love it. And the florals are items I already had. We have condiments here. I have some glasses just in case somebody wants some wine when they come over. And here I am putting out some of our food. So this is for our hamburgers, along with the condiments, along with buns. We keep things a little casual around here for cookouts. I made a pasta salad, which is delicious always. Made some baked beans. Added some ground beef in there. They were good. I didn't know how people would take the pineapple, but I've made them with pineapple in it, which is delicious too. But this pan didn't last long at all, nor did the pasta. We also kept our menu very simple. Hubby grilled some hamburgers, some turkey sausage, and some chicken thighs. You'll see those in a minute. I made some corn on a cob. There's the turkey sausages and a couple of more hamburger patties. And here's the chicken thighs. They were so juicy and delicious. And hubby made some broccoli slaw. I didn't film the day with everybody here. Just wanted to enjoy the day. But later on, after all the rain, when we got a break, and after some of my family members left, we got out there with the kiddos and we kept the fireworks simple and lit some sparklers. That's it. Our fireworks display in our area was postponed because of rain. Now we're starting here in the backyard, and I was telling hubby there's nowhere in the world I'm gonna decorate this space when the backdrop is not together. So we got to cut back all of this brush. That wasn't good. You need to extend that out so it won't fall on you. And we need heavy gloves. But we're gonna get all of this cut back. That's extending over the fence line first on this side, and we're gonna get everything cut back about 3 or 4 feet on the other side. While everyone is preparing their backyards for the summer, I'm not preparing it for the summer. I am preparing my backyard for the fall. It is too hot to enjoy the space. But in the fall, close to the fall season, where the weather is milder, it's nicer, I'll be back there. But until then, I'll do a little bit at a time so I can enjoy it in the fall season. This was a lot of work, and it was not done in one day. This took several days. Hubby and I got back there and went to work until we accomplished the cut back, is what I call it. Cutting back all of that greenery. Teamwork makes the dream work, right? Working together around your household. That's what I've always seen growing up. With my parents, they did things together, and hubby and I, we do the same. All done, and I'm loving all of the brush off of the fence line. What we also did, and I did not film it, with all the brush being on the fence line, we had a lot of pollen and dirt on the fence, so we cleaned the fence as well with a 30-minute wash. Hubby is out there now doing the lawn, cutting the grass, and after that we're going to go to work on one bed in the backyard, and that's the bed to the right of the gazebo. I am using this striping spray paint by Rust-Oleum to map out how I want this bed to be. I do not want just a straight bed. I want some curves to it, not too many, but I want a little curviness to the bed. So I'm going to spray this on and then we're going to go to work. You have to work smarter and not harder in the yard or in everything pretty much, right? Hubby went to work with the weed whacker to cut back all of these weeds and grass in the space. He did this twice to clean out this flower bed. Are we laying fabric or no?
Nah, I think it's a week.
Now you heard that question I asked him, right? Are we laying fabric down? And he said no. He's gonna regret it later. Actually, you don't necessarily have to use weed fabric. You can use Amazon boxes that come into your home. You can use the bags from the mulch or the bags from the rocks, whatever you lay on top, to make a weed barrier. Now, this is me going around the gazebo since we have the weed whacker out. So I'm doing that while hubby is running in the house grabbing something else. So I'm working too. He's not just doing it too, ladies. I'm working too. And I'm loving it out here. I love it. I just don't like the heat. A few days ago, we made a trip to Lowe's to select some plants. Most of these plants are plants I really didn't want. I wanted something else, but they did not have them. So these are the ones we're going with. They needed to be hardy for this heat. This is the bed, and we're going to start placing them in the ground because, guys, it's about to rain. Okay, so we're going to try to get all of these plants in, or what we can, in the ground so God can water them. Now, a family friend gave us this edging. She pulled it up and she didn't want it, and we tell her, anything that you have for the yard, please ask us first to see if we can use it, because yard materials, plants, and everything, they're costly. And she did, and we told her, yes, we will use that edging. And see these dark clouds? They are moving quickly. The next day, my oldest grandson and I, we went to the movies, and we came back, and the flower bed was completed. Hubby got back out there and he finished planting all of the plants, and he also placed my solar lights out, which we picked up from Hobby Lobby at 50% off the spring shop. And we're loving this flower bed. I didn't want too much in there. I want to be able to see what is crawling around. We're backing a wooded area. So, and let me just state this. I want to give these plants space to grow. It will fill in. Well, that's all I have for you in today's video. Just letting you know this is how our week went by working out in the backyard, as well as our 4th of July weekend. Let me know in the comments below, how did your 4th of July weekend go? And what did you do? If you are new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Double click that bell so you'll be notified of all uploads here at Kimberly Davis, A Blessed Home. I can be followed on other social media sites, Facebook, Instagram, as well as TikTok. I also have an Amazon store where you can shop 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for beautiful home decor, home essentials, personal items, and more. All of those links will be listed in my description box below. And if you are a faithful and returning ABH family member, you already know how I feel about you. I love you guys so much, and I'm truly thankful, grateful, and blessed that you are a part of the blessed family. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I'll see you on the very next video. Have a blessed, beautiful day. Please be safe out there, and I'll talk to you real soon. Love you guys.